buddy?
What's up? I'm gonna fly some quads, then after this I'm gonna go skateboarding and watch some Nickelodeon. Look, can we finish this up? I gotta get home for the next episode of Boy Meets World. Yeah. Oh. That is totally loose. Okay, whatever.
Oh, this is hilarious.
She doesn't like it when we call her loose.
Yeah, she does.
Neither is my friend.
It's the selfie cam.
Perfect.
Selfies in the 90s.
Oh!
Oh, what?
Oh! It's in the tree. Oh! It is the walk of shame.
Roll of shit. Slightly less.
How does that make you feel there, Bad Luck?
Hey man, I'm cool as long as I get to skate. Lots of cars. That was perfect. That's gonna look good on home video. Do it again.
Let's see it.
Just messed up some props.
Aw, she good.
It's all good. Yes, the what?
What are you saying?
Were you gonna hit up that crane spot?
You gotta speak to my wired microphone here.
That's literally actually a microphone.
This is actually a microphone.
It looked like he ripped the hair off of a trolley and then put it on the top of it.
Oh no, that was my other. That's my wireless microphone. This is.
I was gonna say that thing does not look like a microphone at all.
Oh, it is.
Like
This-
no
this-
way that's a microphone.
This is an old school microphone here.
Yeah, that's more believable than the other one.
Well, but
The buzz you had on that, yeah, looks like the hair of a troll.
as far as the current events go, he should really not be out there doing that. You know, like it's obscene. It really is. It's shocking, really.
So how does it make you feel?
Shocked.
Shocked?
Yeah.
Angry?
Mostly just shocked.
Shocked.